Hey guys, Steve from Greenway Outdoor Maintenance here. In a beautiful spring day. My grass is turning green. A little muddy, but green for my floor dogs. Anyway, we have not had snow in 2 weeks, which is hurting the pocketbook a little bit, but I'll survive. And my snow drift over here is melting. I gotta come and pick up the dog poop again. Wait another couple days. It's supposed to be 60 degrees. Well, except for tomorrow, it's supposed to drop down to 40 or so. But like I said, no snow, nothing to talk about. And I hate that damn ash tree in my front yard. Yeah, I got one up there too. It's a sucker. And my tiling mess. This is what I've been doing all week. Tiling my bathroom. My honeydew list, which I like doing. Anyway, so, but the Colorado Green Show is coming up. I'm going to that on Thursday. It's today, tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. But it's not big as the one in Kentucky, so we only go for the one day. And I look at all the new products out for the mowers and stuff like that, the fun stuff. And they've told us we can film down there, so I will not bring you any filming of the show, which really surprised me. Anyway, so not that I've ever filmed it before, but I got a mess over here I got to clean up. This is my junk pile of my stuff. Some of it's going to the dump, and other parts are be used, like that Toro there is going to go to the dump as soon as I get a big enough load. I got my power rake out and fixed it. I missed that in the last video. Excuse me. Anyway, so I just want to let you guys know that nothing wild happening in Colorado. It's kind of boring. My disaster patio. I got a disaster for a patio right now. Full of boxes and garbage and junk. It's winter time. You don't sit on the patio in winter time. Anyway, so my plan is to finish tiling my bathroom, which has nothing to do with lawn mowing. And whatnot. So and there's my son-in-law working on his car. Anyway, I've not started my truck in 2 weeks. Let's see if she starts. Hold on here. Nip, my battery be dead, man. My battery be too low. I've not driven my truck in 2 weeks. So we shall. I'll get my jumper out and jump my battery. Anyway, do that a little bit. Gotta go find you first. My battery dead, Sonia. You don't like being on camera. I gotta find my jumper here. See my jumper. See my jumper. Anyway, it's fun time in the city. So, yeah, I bought a new battery in this damn thing too. It shouldn't be, I didn't think it'd be dead already. Let's see if there we go. Yeah, where's my little yellow button at? There it is. There's my battery. Turn the puppy on. I'll go see now if it starts. Let's find out. Let's see if she starts now. Get the right key does help. There she goes. There we go. Cable's gonna go back home there. I'm working on it, guys. There we go. Let the truck run a little bit. Next thing, having fun. See him? He's already going. Photobombing me. Don't want to know. He's not really shy, camera. He don't like my films. Anyway, now I bought this little puppy a couple years ago for just that reason. It cost me like 45 bucks at Harbor Freight. Anyway, I'm gonna see if everything's still in my truck. See if somebody's robbing me blind the last couple weeks ago. I haven't been in here. All the snow and ice is gone over here. Hello, Ruby girl. Go get you some Milky Bones, Ruby girl. Yep. I can't unlock because my keys are in the truck. Anyway, that's life in the city. Dead battery. Not driving my truck for 2 weeks. I drive my little other Ford here, my Escape. Nice car, doesn't ride bad. Smaller than the other ones, bigger than some. Anyway, I don't know how good the light is in here. Anyway, you guys just take it easy. Spring is coming. The front yard's already starting to turn green. If it stays warm like this, we're supposed to have some rain tomorrow. I'm gonna start watering my lawn. She's starting to green up. I may start aerating next week. Yeah, I'll wait till at least the 1st of March. But we'll get some aerating done. Get some power raking done. Now it's time to do power raking, but nobody's calling for power rakes yet, so this is a good time to do it. It's dry. Hello, Ruby girl. Come on, Ruby. There you go, Ruby girl. And I carry a box of those in my truck when I mow lawns, going to my customers. You guys ought to do that. I give them the neighbors' dogs. Someone said, you know, my dogs know when you're coming. They want out right when you get here. They hear you coming. I believe that. Like I said, that's all I got left of my snow. It's supposed to be 70 on Friday. That's in 3 days. We'll see if it turns out right. You know, they said some rain tonight and tomorrow. There's the gray white clouds, but I ain't gonna hold my breath. Anyway, you guys all have a wonderful week. Talk to y'all later. Bye. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. A lot of good stuff. I can make y'all dizzy doing one of these. Nah, I won't do that. Makes myself dizzy. Anyway, remember, like and subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to y'all. Have a great week. I said that earlier. Anyway, y'all like and subscribe to my channel. Leave some notes, comments, like I said. And had a wonderful week. I will try and film some of the green show, but they said no filming this year, so we'll see what it does. Talk to you later. Bye.